Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're starting in Chrome with YouTube loaded. First, open YouTube. Calm and play any video so the interface shows the suggested videos column. Once done, look to the top right of that column where the autoplay toggle sits. It's often blue when enabled. Click the toggle to turn it off, you'll see it switch gray. This is the quick, immediate stop for autoplay on the desktop site, and it persists per account when signed in. Next, make sure Chrome itself isn't overriding YouTube. Go to Chrome, //settings/content/sound and site settings for media, ensure YouTube. Calm is not allowed to autoplay audio. If autoplay continues, disable extensions one by one in Chrome, //extensions to find any culprit, because ad or video managers can force playback. If you prefer a permanent block, install a reputable. To finish, check mobile and confirm settings persist. In the YouTube app, tap your profile, go to Settings Autoplay and turn off Autoplay Next Video. On Android, also check Chrome app settings for media playback. If changes don't stick, clear browser cache and cookies and retry. If problems continue, open Chrome Incognito or disable extensions to isolate causes. If autoplay stops in incognito, an extension was likely the issue. Make sure you're signed in to save these preferences.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.